Excellence. Excellence begins with students. Excellence begins with community. It begins with parents. It begins with employees. At Tempe Elementary Schools, excellence begins with me.
On the next exhale, you're going to do a chaturanga, which is a half push-up, elbows in. Inhale, cobra or up dog. So cobra is with your knees down, up dog, up on the balls of your feet.
Sandy Barrat has really brought a passion for health and wellness to the district that I think was missing. The position was newly created when she got here, but she's really done an amazing job with bringing innovative ideas, new classes, things that are interesting to employees for their health and wellness. And it's just been kind of refreshing to have her here in the district, and just bringing that passion for wellness has been really great.
Sandy's a runner. Sandy is a doer. Those that are around her see the energy and excitement and enthusiasm that she brings every day to every task that she takes on. She does everything with confidence and energy and excitement, and it's just a joy to be around all the time.
As a TD3 wellness coach, I try to create a culture of wellness for all our district staff. I'm trying to reduce our healthcare expenditures, to make people feel happy on the job and motivated to work and stay here, increase our employee retention, reduce our certified substitute utilization, and to help increase awareness of health risk factors by bringing in flu shot clinics, biometric screenings, and really making people feel happy and healthy.
The TD3 Wellness Program is really bringing people together. Individuals who typically don't cross paths during their work week are coming together with the common goal of wellness and fitness and a variety of other activities to improve overall health and wellness in our district.
I'm really proud of what we've done with our wellness program so far. I've sent out just tons of surveys. I'm trying to get as much feedback as possible, and the program is really developed based on the interests and needs of our staff, so it's always changing. We have a Weight Watchers program that we launched in October, and participants have lost over 300 pounds so far. We had a blood drive in December where we met 110% of our goal, and 22 life-saving procedures resulted from that. We had a walking challenge in January with 523 district employees participate, and we lost 726 pounds overall in calories during that 15-day challenge. I've also had on-site fitness classes start where I teach some of them, and also we have our staff teaching some, so it gives people an opportunity to have added service. It highlights some of the different qualities of our staff members, and really also helps our staff members feel a sense of community and ownership in the program themselves.
One of the programs that has really been able to prove the effectiveness of the program is Sandy's Lunch and Learn sessions. She's been able to go out to different sites and sit down with teachers and staff members and really sit down and educate them about health and wellness. She takes the time, she cares, she listens, and she takes care of our employees.
What I'm most proud of for the wellness program is really bringing all of our schools in this district together as a family, and that we're all working together and we're all coming to meet our goals, and no matter what barriers we have to overcome, we can do it together, we can be healthier together, and it really makes us a family.
Sandy is amazing. Her enthusiasm and excitement for the wellness program has been really contagious this year. It helps to have that supportive person who's there cheering you on during all of the classes and just keeps us all motivated and going. There couldn't be a better person to do the wellness program through the Tempe Elementary School District.
It makes me really proud to work in a district that really supports health and wellness, as well as work with an individual like Sandy Barrat, who really truly cares about the staff, the students, and the community of the Tempe Elementary School District.